Hi everyone, it's Miss Violet from the Boys and Girls Club in Paso, and today I have Rylan and Peyton here with me again, and we're gonna make some grilled cheese.
Yay!
Grilled cheese sandwiches.
Ingredients.
2 slices of the bread of your choice.
1 tablespoon of butter melted.
A half cup of shredded cheese. And equipment. A cutting board.
Pastry brush.
A non-stick skillet.
Spatula.
And a butter knife. Here are all of our supplies laid out and ready to go. So the first step is to lay your 2 pieces of bread out. And once you have your butter melted, you're gonna take your pastry brush and spread the melted butter all over the bread. 1 side each. And now Rylan's gonna do one. Next step is to flip one of the pieces of bread over, butter side down, and pour the cheese on. Okay, the next step is to take the other piece of bread with the butter side on top and place it right on top, like a sandwich.
Is it gonna be a grilled cheese?
Now that our sandwich is put together, we're gonna pick it up and place it in the skillet. Perfect. With adult supervision, you wanna turn on the stove to medium. And you're going to cook each side for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it's golden brown. Excited?
Yeah.
You can see the cheese starting to melt on the bottom. All right, now we're gonna take it out. Ooh, looks good, huh?
Nummy, nummy.
And we'll wait for it to cool. Here's half of it, and that's the end.